see the worksheet, right? Worksheet on topic 4, mass weight density.
Yes, sir.
Question 1, Mithila, read.
What happens to an object when it moves to a location where the gravitational field strength is slightly greater? Its density decreases, its mass decreases, its weight increases, its volume increases.
So, what is the possible answer?
Sir,
Wait, let her say.
sir, do you hear me?
I can hear you, wait.
Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir.
Okay. Yeah, Mithila, have you got the answer? So, what thing is related to gravitational field strength? Here we have density, mass, weight, and volume, 4 things. In which
Yes, sir.
formula you got gravitational field strength?
Fg is equals to mg.
Wait. Mithila. Hello, Mithila.
Yes, sir.
So the formula you got for density, did you get anything gravitational field strength over there?
No,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
No. Then mass never changes, right? Mass remains
Yeah.
same everywhere. In our last class we got the difference between mass and weight, right?
Yes, sir.
So there we got 1 point, mass remains same everywhere. Then
Weight changes.
yeah, weight changes, and in our formula of weight we have weight equals
Gravity.
mass into gravitational
Gravitational
field
field
strength.
strength.
So
C is the answer.
yeah, so with the change in gravitational field strength, which is greater, the weight should be greater, right? Isn't it? Mithila? Hello, Mithila.
Yes, sir.
So you understood it, Mithila?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this way you should analyze, huh? And volume also, you know, what is the formula of volume? Length, breadth, height, right? So there we don't, yeah, there we don't get any gravitational field strength. So we can ignore it from our answer. Now, question number 2, they were saying, Mithila, continue this. Question 2.
Two cylinders P and Q are made of copper. The height of P is twice the height of Q. The diameter of P is half the diameter of Q. Which statement is correct? The density of cylinder P is 4 times that of cylinder Q. The cylinder of P is twice that of cylinder Q. The density of cylinder is equal to that of cylinder Q. The density of cylinder P is half of that cylinder Q.
So what's your answer?
Sir,
Mithila, what's your answer?
I'm confused.
They were saying that it was done in class 7.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
When they saw these questions, then and there they were jumping, saying we got it in class 7. So you cannot recall it, Mithila, from class 7. Then Lamisa, what's your answer?
Thinking, sir.
B. Okay, you also forgot. Then Baksha, what's your answer? You are raising hand.
Sir, my answer is the density of cylinder P is twice that of cylinder Q, sir.
Which one? C or D or A? B? Which one?
B for Bangladesh, sir. B for Bangladesh.
Twice.
So as far as I remember, it will be
Okay.
yes.
So Bangladesh, right? You are saying. Then
Yes,
what
sir.
about
Bangladesh,
Anmol?
Pakistan.
Anmol,
Sir, I think it is C. Sir,
Sir,
C
number
for
C.
China. Sir, C for
yes,
China.
yes, it should be C because
C for coronavirus.
both are made from copper, right?
Copper. Yes, sir. So
Yes.
their
So
density should be same.
yeah, if the material is same, element is same, the density should be also same, right?
Equal.
Same.
So write this note. They who got this idea today, this is new for you. You should write it. The density of same material always same, whatever the size is. Are you writing?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we are done with 2. The answer is C. The density equals. Then question 3, Lamisa, continue.
Which
Lamisa,
statement about mass and weight is correct? So experiences the weight due to gravitational force. Mass and weight of different types of force. Mass and weight of this mass changes. Okay, sir. I think it will be okay. এটা সি হবে না cos weight Newton সে হতে পারে Sir, number B.
Bangladesh, you are saying mass is also one kind of force.
No, it will be force হবে না স্যার পরে বলেছি যে force হবে না B তে
So,
একদমই হবে না তো A থাকলো
yes, that's the good process, good
Sir,
technique.
A, right?
This
It
is,
will be
so you see, Lamisa was applying one very effective method that is called elimination method. Okay, that means she was taking that this is not correct, C is not correct, then D is not correct, then B is
It
not
should be
correct,
correct.
then one is left, A, right? A should be correct.
Yes.
This is called method of elimination. You are eliminating one after another, then you are getting one of them rest. That is your answer, right? Yeah,
Yes.
Adrita, you are raising hand. Adrita,
I wanted to answer the question, but
okay, I know that you are ready to answer, but we want some, silent people to get the answer,
okay,
right?
sir, no problem.
Okay,
Yes, no
Everyone
problem.
deserves an equal.
okay, yeah. I will ask you a few, one or two questions. Which one they will, you know, they will stop there. I will go to you. Okay, that time you answer, no problem. Now, this one, Anmol, you read.
Okay, sir. Two blocks are joined together. One block has a density of 6 gram per centimeter cube and the other has a density of 9 gram per centimeter cube. What is the overall density of the two blocks joined together? Okay.
So it's saying about the overall density, right?
Yes, sir.
So to get overall density, you should have overall mass, overall
And
volume,
overall
right?
volume.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So get the overall mass. That means total mass of the block, joint block. That means both the blocks together is a single block. For that block, what is the mass you should find, and for that block, what is the volume you should find. Then you can get the overall density. Calculate it, everyone. So you got the answer, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So what is the mass of the overall mass of the object? What is the
Density,
overall?
sir, massটা
Yeah. What is the mass?
Sir, mass is
density হলো
486.
15
Overall, 486.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Sorry.
15
So
The
mass is how
overall
much?
mass is 24.
Sir, I got 24, the mass, 24 gram.
Anmol got 24.
mass
Can you
mass
explain?
24 density হলো 15
Okay, wait. Anmol, can you tell us how you got this mass 24?
Sir, they gave us the density of the objects, and I find out the volume and then use the formula to find the mass.
Okay, for this part, shaded part, what is the mass you got?
Sir, 6 gram.
How much?
6 gram.
6.
6 gram.
6
Okay.
into 1 into 1.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you got here the formula. What is the formula? Mass equals.
Sir, mass equals density into volume.
So there you got here m equals density is 6, right?
Yes, sir.
And your volume is how much? 1.
1.
Yes,
Because
sir.
1 centimeter cube, 1 multiplied by 1. Then
Yes.
you are getting 6, right? 6
6.
gram.
Yes, sir.
So are you writing,
6.
everyone? So for this shaded part, the mass is how much? 6 gram. And
Yeah.
now for the white part, let us check.
Sir, 18 gram.
Yeah, here mass how much?
18.
How?
Sir,
9,
9 into 2.
9 into 2, right?
Yes, sir.
So 2 is 2, 9 into 2, that's come 18
Yes, sir.
gram. Then total mass,
24.
yes, total mass is 24. Total mass equals 24 grams. So we got the mass. Now volume is how much? Total volume. Here you got 1 centimeter cube. Here you got 2 centimeter cube. So it is 3 centimeter cube, right?
Sir, 3. Yes, sir.
So total volume
Total volume is 3.
equals how much? 3.
Yes,
3 centimeter cube.
centimeter cube.
Okay, then
Now, sir, density equals to mass by volume.
overall density, right?
Yes, sir. Overall density.
You write here this way, that will be more specific, right? Because it's
Yes,
not like a single thing here. There are several things, so we can write more specific. Overall density is mass per volume, that is
that is
24 by.
24 by 3. The answer is 8 gram per centimeter cube.
So everyone got this answer?
Yes.
You understood? Have you understood, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Hello? You should respond. Only
Yes, sir.
Anmol is saying, what about Adrita, Azwad, Batsha, Lamisa, then Taki, Mithila, Maruf? Have you understood? Have you understood, everyone?
Yes,
Hello?
sir. I can hear you.
yes sir
Everyone understood it? Have you taken these notes?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now
yes sir
Anmol, you take a snap of this and send in our group. Can you do it? Are you using mobile?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So send it our classmate group. Have you sent?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. So that they who are absent, they can also see it, right? Because this is a tricky one, right? Okay, now this question, question 5, we want Taki to read. Taki, question 5. Taki is
The
there?
question 5.
Yeah, question 5, please.
Okay, sir. A block is hung on a spring balance. The marker inside the balance is pulled down by the block. What can the position of the marker be used to determine? A. The mass of the block in kg. B. The mass of the block in Newton. C. The moment caused by the block in Newton per meter. D. The weight of the block in kg.
Okay, good. So what is your answer?
So the mass of the block in Newton.
Wait,
B.
wait, 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 wait. Let him say. Let him say. Taki, what's your answer?
Sir, I think A.
Your answer is A. Okay. So it's a little bit tricky. They are playing with you uh, by units. Okay. You see, the units for only the mass is written correctly, right?
Yes.
Hmm? And for weight, it's written kg, it's wrong. Then for mass, again in Bangladesh, it's written Newton, right? So
Yes.
in Bangladesh and Dhaka, these two are totally wrong. And the third one, that is C, moment caused by the block is in Newton meter. The unit is correct, but here we are not dealing with the moment. Okay, we are only measuring either mass or weight using this spring balance. Is it clear?
Sir,
Hello?
what is the
Yes,
correct
sir.
Yes, sir.
answer?
The correct answer
It
is
is A.
A,
Oh, okay,
A.
sir.
the mass of the block in kg. Because mass we measure with kg, isn't it? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Mass
Yes.
we don't measure with Newton.
Yes.
Oh, oh, there's mass. Oh.
So the answer is A, 5A. Just playing with the units. Okay, now question 6. Question 6.
Sir,
A is
this
the
one also we
question.
did in class
Wait,
7.
wait, wait.
This one.
This one also you did in class 7. Maruf.
Yes, sir.
Maruf. Yeah, read question 6. Maruf.
The density of gold is 19 gram per centimeter cube. A gold coin is 2 millimeter thick. Each face of the coin has an area of 4.5 centimeters square. What is the mass of the coin? A 2.1 gram, B 70 gram, C 21 gram,
Yeah,
D
how will
170
calculate?
gram.
How will calculate this mass? You should get the volume and you should get the density, right?
Yes, sir.
Already we did one question where we calculated mass. Mass is equal to volume times density, right? Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So how can you get it? If you can find the density is directly given, so if you can get the volume, then you can get the mass. So Maruf, how will you get the volume? For measuring volume, we gave two techniques, by using formula or by water displacement method. So which technique we should apply here? Maruf? Maruf, don't be mute. You should keep your microphone on. Hello, Maruf. We need your cooperation more, Maruf. Why you are muted?
Formula.
Yeah, formula. So again muted. We don't want you to mute now. Keep your microphone on. Then formula, which formula you'll use? So which formula will be appropriate here for this object? Here we got area and we got thickness, right? So we can get the volume by multiplying area and thickness, right? Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So volume you have to measure by multiplying area and thickness, because it's a cylindrical object, part of cylinder. So it's the same formula, pi r square h. Pi r square here given, that is area, and h is here thickness. So 2 millimeter you have to convert to centimeter, right? Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So if you convert 2 millimeters to centimeter, what will be the value? 0.2. 0.2 centimeter multiplied 4.5 centimeter square. So write it here, volume. Everyone write it here, volume.
0.9.
Volume equals area times height. Here, write this formula. Then you get the area 4.5 centimeter square. Then times 0.02. 0.2, right? 0.2 centimeter. Then what is the answer coming?
স্যার এটা তো মিলিমিটার
0.9.
লেখা, এটা 0.2 মিলিমিটার। ও আপনি সেন্টিমিটার কনভার্ট করছেন, সরি আমি খেয়াল করি নাই, সরি
Yes,
মাই ব্যাড।
yes, yes. So we have to convert it, right, Lamisa?
স্যার লেখা ছিল না তো আমি খেয়াল করিনি, সরি।
Yeah. Okay. Okay. It's okay. Then you calculate the answer. You tell us. It should be 0.9. Okay. 0.9. And then centimeter cube, right? Isn't it? Won't it be centimeter cube?
Yes.
Okay. Then we are having the volume. Now it's easy for you, right? Volume times density. So what will be the answer? Check.
B.
17.1. So that's
Huh?
B.
Sir, the answer comes 17.1. That is B.
Okay,
Zero into
Bangladesh.
of
Your
270.
answer is Bangladesh, right? 17.1.
Yeah.
Yes.
So this question, you need, you need to be careful, right? That if you are directly multiplying with 2 millimeter, then the answer will come Dhaka, right? And Cambridge is so clever. They know some of you will do this mistake, and they are also giving that option. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So you be careful about that, right?
Sir, they are there to cut our marks.
No, they actually want to make you stronger.
Yes, sir. Like they will
Don't
not
think
correct our
negative way, you think positive, right? Then you can go forward, move
Yeah.
forward, right? What is the benefit if they cut your marks?
You will
Yes.
become more
If you
attention, more
gain your
careful.
marks, that's your benefit, right?
Yes.
So 7, and you should earn it by your capacity, right? Only
Yes,
easy things
sir.
you will do, and in your life you'll get difficult things. Then it will be very tough for you. Okay. Now question 7. Yeah, Adrita, you say question 7. Read. Adrita.
Question 7. This
Yeah.
statement about mass is correct. A, mass is directly divided by volume B. Mass is the amount of space occupied by a body. B, mass is directly divided by space size. C, mass varies with change in motion. It is D, mass varies with change in
So what's your answer?
motion. So
Bangladesh.
D. No, sir.
Dhaka, sir, Dhaka.
Oh, you are choosing Dhaka. Okay, so
Dhaka.
why you are not choosing A, B, C?
Wait,
The
let me
mass
see.
is density multiplied by volume. So A is wrong.
Okay,
And then
why A is wrong? Density equals.
density equals to mass by volume. Mass is equal to density into volume.
Oh,
Mass
into
is equal.
volume.
A is
Sir,
wrong.
we did. Sir, we did it number 6 just now. So
Yeah.
Oh, I
So
see.
in
You
number
did
B
in
is wrong
question
because
no,
6
with
also.
number C
volume
we
is the
figured
amount of
out the
space
mass.
occupied by a
So
body.
Yeah.
um,
So why Bangladesh
So,
is wrong?
sir,
So
I
sir,
was
volume
saying,
is the
sir, mass is.
hey, come on, let me say.
Yeah. Let us say. Let us
While
say.
I'm trying to talk, everyone is talking together. What is this?
Yeah. Everyone, please let us say. Huh.
Sir, number D.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Adrita, why Bangladesh is not correct?
The volume is the amount of space occupied by a body, not mass.
So
Mass
Sir,
is the
number
so
amount
D.
of
It will be
mass.
number D.
yeah.
Mass resistance
It
change.
will be
Come on, let
okay.
me
Wait.
say.
Mass does not change ever.
Yeah. Listen.
From
You
all to a space, the mass will not change.
wait. Huh, Lamisa,
You are
we
interested so
also.
much in talking. Why don't you answer instead of me?
Yeah, listen, we also try to understand why the other options are not correct. Huh? And you
Can I
also,
tell?
yeah, you also take notes. That
Okay.
what she is
sir,
So
saying.
let
first,
Adrita
A will
tell.
not be correct because the formula of density
Wait,
is.
Lamisa, wait. Let Adrita say.
Let
Huh?
Adrita tell, Lamisa.
Okay,
Okay, I'll
wait.
be the
Huh?
tell.
Yeah, Adrita about B. Adrita was saying
I
the
really
amount
tell
of
everyone to go mute.
yeah, the amount of space occupied by a body, it is not mass, it is volume. So you take this note. It's very important point. Are you writing? The amount of space occupied by a body is not mass, it's volume. Adrita said it. So you should take this note. It's very important information. Then Adrita, what about C? Why C is not correct?
Sir, it's because weight multiplied by mass is gravitational field strength. Sorry, what am I saying? Weight is mass into gravitational field strength. So mass is weight divided by the gravitational field strength.
So they wrote there multiplied, it should be divided, right?
Yes.
Okay, then it could be correct. So our A, B, C all are wrong. We are getting mass resist a change in motion. That is correct. And you got one idea about mass. That is inertia, right? Can you remember that one?
Yes, sir.
Inertia.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this idea is coming from inertia. Okay. If one
Yes.
object is in stationary, then it wants to be in stationary, right? Then one
Yes.
object is in motion, it wants to be in motion. That property of the object is called
Yes,
inertia.
sir.
And if the mass is more, then inertia is more,
Then
right?
there's no. Yes.
So mass is the resist. This resist means it's at inertia, right? Mass resist a
Yes.
change in motion. Okay, so we are done with question 7. Now question number 8. Question number 8, please. Yeah, Adrita, you continue question 8.
Okay. If scientist places a rock on the on a spring balance, she then places the same rock on a beam balance. The diagrams are given. At the North Pole, the gravitational field strength is greater than that at the equator. To perform the experiment at the North Pole and at the equator, how do the readings at the North Pole compare with those at the equator?
Okay, wait, don't say the answer now. You
I
just
was going to
think,
read the option.
yeah, you just think, yeah, and everyone think, and I will ask everyone randomly, huh? Anyone I will ask randomly, and if anyone knows
Okay,
the
sir.
answer, you can raise your hand, huh? You must have to explain. If you are choosing any answer, you must have to explain it, how it is.
Sir, I got the answer. Do you answer?
You got the answer, then raise your hand and wait. Let them get also.
Okay.
Yeah. Mithila, Tazrila, Taki, Batsha, Lamisa, Maruf, everyone try. Anmol, yeah, everyone please try. And let me know the answer. Only Abdita is raising hand. What about others?
Hello. Sir, I think I got the answer.
So
I
raise your
lost.
hand. If you got your answer, then you raise your hand. I want to see how many of you are raising hand. Yeah, Anmol,
Sir, I'm thinking, sir. I need.
yeah, I think, no problem.
Sir, I think it is B. B for
Bangladesh.
Bangladesh.
सही बात
Yes,
बोल
sir.
से
Okay, so Anmol is saying Bangladesh, then Lamisa is saying same Bangladesh, then Adrita, what you are saying? Adrita, what's your answer?
Hello.
Yes,
Hello.
yes,
Sir,
what's
can
your
you hear
answer?
me? My answer is B.
Bangladesh.
Yes, sir.
So all of you are getting the same answer, right? Can you explain, Adrita, how it is
Yes, sir.
Bangladesh?
Yes, sure. No problem.
Yeah, please.
In the first one, it is dealing with weight. So if there is more weight, the rock will exert more pressure on the spring balance, right?
Mm-hmm.
So it will be different at the North Pole
Mm-hmm.
because it's dealing with weight and not mass.
Mm-hmm.
In the second one, it's actually dealing with mass and not weight. So even if the weight increases, there will be no significant effect on the beam balance. It's
Okay,
dealing with
okay,
mass. So that's
okay,
why.
okay, very good. Then any other idea? Any other idea? Adrita, you have any more idea you can say?
Um, any more ideas? No.
No idea, no idea. Then Lamisa,
Sir, can I
yeah,
try?
sure. Yeah, Anmol,
I
you try. You have any idea you can try.
Sir, because sir, in North Pole, sir, the force of gravity might be different. That's why the spring balance
Yeah,
will give a
both are
value.
taken. Both are taken in the North
Oh,
Pole, right?
sir weight changes but mass remains the same.
You see, yeah,
excuse me, sir.
yes, yes.
Could you please ask Anmo to repeat? I mean, I have a very bad internet connection, so I couldn't hear anything for a short time.
Anmol was saying that uh, the
the
one is
gravitational force
uh,
might be different at North Pole.
yeah, gravitational field strength is greater. They already told you,
Yes,
And
by 3 newtons.
and it is not only for a single object, it's for everything, everyone.
Yes.
If
And
gravitational
sir, mass
potential is
remains the
changed,
same everywhere. You told
then
mass.
the effect, it is affected. uh, you see, the all the things are affected by it, right? It's affecting
Yes.
everything same way it's affecting. So uh, and that is not the point is another place. In our next class we'll discuss, not today, okay? That should be in your mind.
Okay,
You
sir.
think of this is your,
Sir,
some
I got another
curiosity.
idea
Yeah,
actually.
okay, you share next class. Thank you, huh?
Okay. Assalamualaikum, sir. Allah Hafiz.
Adios,